to fix calls and people option not showing on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is check for the updates of Messenger application. So just go to the Play Store application and search for Messenger over here. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and make a long press on Messenger application, then tap on App Info. Now as you tap on App Info, it will lead you to the new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then clear cache, and if it's possible, you can clear all data as well. Then tap on App Permission. Make sure that you have toggled on all required app permissions over here. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.